So you want to smash objects in Blender. Me too. Luckily, it's pretty easy to do. So in order to smash our default cube into bits, we're going to be using an add-on called Cell Fracture. And to find that, we're going to go up to Edit and then to Preferences. We're going to go to Add-ons and we're going to look for Cell Fracture. I already have this enabled by default, but if you don't, go ahead and enable it. Now you'll notice, if this is your first time using the add-on, that this is a community add-on. This does not actually come pre-packaged with Blender. But don't worry, in order to get it, you just have to go to Extensions and search for Cell Fracture here. The Get extensions are a bunch of community add-ons that are curated by Blender.org. So this is where you get Cell Fracture. Once you have it, you go ahead and go to add-ons, you turn it on, and then you're good to go. So back in Blender, you're going to go ahead and select the object that you want to smash to bits. You're going to go to Object, Quick Effects, and then you're going to go to Cell Fracture. Now there is a whole bunch of knobs that you can turn here. The one that we're particularly interested in is this noise one right here. You're going to want to turn this one all the way up to 1. Once you've done that, you're going to go, let me go ahead and move it here. You're going to go ahead and hit OK. It is going to go ahead and fracture the cell just like that. Now, it's not a destructive process. You will notice that we have the original default cube here, but now we have a copy of it that is smashed to bits. And now you have a version of your mess that's all f***ed up. So one important thing to note about this add-on is that it's actually going to fracture based on the number of vertices that are in your mesh. So if we wanted to go ahead and increase the number of cell divisions here, all we'd have to do is tab into edit mode, right click, subdivide, and we get a lot more vertices on it. We'll go ahead and subdivide one more time here. Then we do the same process, go to Object, Quick Effects, Cell Fracture, make sure the noise is all the way to 1, which is going to randomize the cell fractureness, and hit OK. And as you can see here, go ahead and move that one. You can see here, there's a lot more fractures here just because we have more vertices to work with. Now, there's a lot more knobs and whistles that you can use to customize this. I invite you to explore on your own. But that's the basics of how you can smash stuff in Blender. If you want to add physics to all these objects pretty quickly, it's pretty straightforward to do. All you need to do is select one of your objects and add a rigid body to it. This object is now affected by physics. So if we hit the spacebar to play the physics sim, you'll see that it drops out of the cube. Now to quickly add physics to everything, all you have to do is select all the items in your hierarchy that you want to apply physics to. You're going to go up to Object, you're going to go up to Rigid Body, and you're going to copy from Active. So this is going to copy all of the physics settings from your active object. In our case, it's going to be this cube here, which is the cube that we applied physics on the first time. So go back to Physics, copy from Active, click that. And now if you'll go in here and select all of these you'll see is have a rigid body component attached to you. And if you press space, they all, okay, mesh, plane, scale it up, move it down, rigid body. We don't want this to be dynamic, we want it in place. And there we go. Now we'll scale it more. And perfect, there we go, much more impressive now. It's very cathartic to destroy things. And so there we go. Now our objects in Blender are shattered to pieces, much like my hopes and dreams.